I'm going to call the number of chickens C and the number of goats G. We're told that there were 80 of them in total, so if I add these two together, I'm going to get 80. Then they had 200 legs in total. Well, a chicken has 2 legs, so if you had 10 chickens, you'd have 20 legs. You just times the number of chickens by 2, and therefore the number of chicken legs is going to be 2C. And similar for goats, a goat has 4 legs in general, so it's going to be 4G. If I add those together, I'm going to get 200. I've got simultaneous equations to solve. And the way to go about doing this is to make either the numbers in front of the C, the coefficients, the same, or in front of the G, the same. So I'm going to go with, because I want to actually work out the number of goats, I'm going to eliminate C from it. So I'm going to times through. First of all, I'm going to write down 2C plus 4G is 200 again. And I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to times it by 2, both sides. So 2C plus 2G is going to be 160. Now you can just see the differences in them. So I've got an extra 2G on the left-hand side, and I've got an extra 40. So 2G is equal to 40, which means G is going to be 20. And that's going to be the answer. Alternatively, you can solve it, sort of algebraically and say, hey, I'm going to subtract the two left-hand sides from one another. They're going to cancel. That's going to leave me with 2G. And I'm going to subtract the two right-hand sides. It must be that if I combine these equations together, then I'll still get an equation that's true. 2G is equal to 40. And yeah, I just did it algebraically here instead of sort of just looking at it. Sometimes it's harder to just look at it. So I thought it was worth talking about this process as well. Overall, G is 20. Good.